In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a hole in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool to use, how to select the right edges, and how to control the smoothness of the result so it blends cleanly with your model. Start by opening your 3D model in Fusion 360. Take a moment to orient the view so the hole is easy to see. Zoom in and rotate around it to understand whether you're looking at a simple round opening, a trimmed surface gap, or an irregular shape. It's always helpful to verify that your timeline is visible so you can undo and tweak the operation later if needed. Next, choose the appropriate tool based on what kind of model you have. If you're working on a surface model, go to the surface tools and use patch. This creates a surface patch that spans the opening. If you're working on a solid body, head to modify and choose fill. Fill adds a face that closes the hole as part of the solid, keeping the body watertight. A quick way to tell the difference. If the model has thickness and volume, you're likely using a solid. If it's a collection of faces without thickness, it's a surface. Now, select the hole or the boundary edges you want to fill. Click along the perimeter so Fusion 360 understands the complete border of the opening. If the edge is broken into multiple segments, make sure the entire loop is selected so there are no gaps. You should see a preview of the patch or face spanning across the hole. Before you confirm, adjust the continuity options to control how smoothly the new face transitions into the surrounding geometry. Position-only continuity creates a simple cap that meets the edges but doesn't try to smooth. Tangent continuity aligns the new face so its direction matches the neighboring faces, giving a softer blend. Curvature continuity goes a step further, matching both direction and rate of curvature for the most seamless organic transition. Use tangent or curvature when you want visually smooth results on rounded or sculpted surfaces. Stick with position for flat mechanical closures or sharp boundaries. Watch the preview as you change these settings so you can see how the surface responds. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to fill the hole. Orbit around the model to check the result from multiple angles. If the shape looks too flat or too bulged, simply edit the feature in the timeline and try a different continuity setting. That's all there is to it. Open your model, choose patch or fill, select the hole, refine continuity, and confirm. You've just created a clean, controlled fill in Fusion 360.